So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get WOWAddon Pro WordPress plugin in just $3 with license key and lifetime update. So I'm gonna tell you how you can purchase this and how you can install it in your website. I will tell you the whole process step by step. So you have to click on buy now. Now here you have to fill the details and you have to go for the payment. Now after the payment will be done, you will get these two files, the add-on file and the license key file. It's done. Now we will install it. Plugins, add plugin, upload plugin, choose file, install it. Click on activate plugin. Now you see this, click on let's start, and here you can just select your category. Okay, you can do all the setups. You see this, you can do all the setups from your side. I'll just show you. Create a campaign, you have all the options for analytics. You see this, you can see your analytics here. So you can do all the setups from your side. If I will explain you everything, then the video will be long. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.